highs in the upper 60s. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for south central Crittenden County in eastern Arkansas, eastern Lee County in eastern Arkansas, southwestern DeSoto County in northwest Mississippi, northwestern Dade County in northwest Mississippi, Tunica County in northwest Mississippi, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar estimates 1 to 3 inches of rainfall has occurred over the past hour. Showers and thunderstorms will produce an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain over the next 2 hours. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to rural areas of eastern Lee, northwestern Dade, south central Crittenden, southwestern DeSoto and Tunica counties. This warning also includes areas near Horn Lake, Horseshoe Lake, Lake McKellar, Midway Lake and Tropico Lake. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice. Turn around, don't drown. Stay tuned to this broadcast for the latest updates and information. To report flash flooding only, call 1-800-432-0875. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Arkansas, Crittenden and Lee, and the following counties in Mississippi, DeSoto, Dade and Tunica.